Good morning dear students. Today I am going to explain you the topic The Selfish Giant, grade 8 CBSE book It So Happened. So The Selfish Giant, this lesson is written by Oscar Wilde. First of all, let us know something about Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was an Irish writer, poet and playwright. He is famous for his plays. He is remembered for his plays and epigrams. So let us see this lesson, The Selfish Giant. This lesson is about a giant who was very selfish, and he has a very beautiful garden. There were beautiful trees, so many peach trees and other trees. They have pink and purple and all colors of the flowers there. And it created a very beautiful scene. It was a large garden, and children used to play there after their lessons were over. Daily, every afternoon, children came there and used to play there. But at that time, the giant was not there. After some time, giant came back. A giant had been staying with Cornish Ogre for 7 years. Cornish Ogre is giant actually, named Cornwall Ogre in UK. It is a name of another giant. He was staying with his friend Cornish Ogre for 7 years, and one day he came back and he was very angry to see the children playing in his garden. He spoke in a very rough voice that, "What are you doing here? This is my garden." He said, "My garden is my garden only, and everyone can understand it that my garden is my garden only, and nobody can play in it but myself." And then he built a high wall around and put a notice. He made a high wall around the garden and put a notice. What was the notice? Trespassers will be prosecuted. Means trespassers means those people who enter in somebody's garden, house or property without his permission will be prosecuted, means will be punished. Now the children had nowhere to play. They were very sad and they were talking about the garden, that how happy we were there. Children were talking about with one another that how happy we were there, but now they had not lost that garden and they had to play on the roads. There were stones and it was not easy for them. After some time, spring came everywhere, but except the garden of giant. In giant's garden still there were winter and snow and frost. They called to the north wind, and it came and it rolled over the ground and damaged the garden and damaged it. Then they called the hails, and the hail came and it destroyed the garden also. After some time, giant noticed that there is everywhere spring, but why not in my garden? He was thinking that maybe it will come late, and he hoped for the change in the weather. But one day, when he woke up in the morning, he noticed that a very beautiful song. He heard very beautiful song. It was a linnet was singing it, and he thought that it must be a Indian musician singing this song. But when he saw that in his garden there were birds chirping and children were playing on the trees, and he was happy to see his garden. After some time, he thought that he watched that only in one corner there is no spring season, there is winter yet. And he saw that a little child is crying who is very small and can't reach the tree. Then he tried to put that child on the tree. When he went near the boy, All other children ran away because they were fearing from the giant, and that child couldn't run away because he was too small. Then other children watched him that the giant took the baby in his arms, and the baby kissed him, and he put the baby on the tree with his hands, and he smiled. Then other children were watching this, and they thought that now the giant is no more wicked, and they all came running back there in his garden, and they started playing again. And in this way, there was spring season in his garden. Giant thought that how selfish I was. All the children started playing. He noticed that his trees have blossomed and the spring has came in his garden due to children only. That is why he take a big axe and he destroyed the wall. Okay, after that, one day he saw that even in the corner, he was now old enough, in one corner where the winter was there yet, he saw that the tree is fully blossomed and there is spring also, and it was sparkling in silver and golden color. Then he came there, and the little boy whom he missed too much was also standing under that tree. Prints of nails on his hands and feet. He asked who had dared to hurt you. Please tell me. The boy said that nobody has done this. These are the wounds of love. And he said that now I have played so much time in your garden, and now you should come in my garden, that is heaven. And the giant couldn't understand what he is saying, but after that day, next day, when the children came in afternoon, they noticed that the giant was lying dead under that blossom tree. This is the story of selfish giant. Read and understand it. Thanks and have a nice.